Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video I will show you how to install Numpy in any project in Pycharm. This is a new project that I have created in Pycharm. In its main.py file, let me import Numpy to show you if it is already installed. Let me run main.py now. And there you go. It says module not found error, no module named Numpy. That means Numpy is not installed yet. So let's install it super quickly. You need to come on the left side of the Pycharm window and then click on this icon that says Python packages. Here you will find a search bar. In this search bar, you are going to type Numpy. When you are going to type Numpy in the search bar, you will see many packages with the name Numpy. But make sure you select the one simply called Numpy because that's the official library. The others are simply third-party packages related to Numpy. Once you have selected Numpy, come to the right hand side of the Pycharm window. Here you are going to see the install button. Upon clicking it, it will start installing the latest version of Numpy. But if you want a specific version of Numpy to be installed, click on this drop down and then you can select the version which you want to install and then click on the install button. But for this tutorial, I am going to install the latest version of Numpy. So I am going to click on install now and you can see it has started installing Numpy. Awesome, the Numpy library is successfully installed. If you have noticed, the red line below Numpy has vanished. Now let's test out its installation. I'm going to write a simple Numpy code within this function print_hi. It will be print within its brackets. I'll write np, that's an alias for Numpy, np.array. And within its brackets, I'm going to pass a list that is going to say 4, 5, 6. Now let's run the main.py file. And there you go. The program has printed this array without any errors. It means Numpy is installed and working correctly. And with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Numpy library in Pycharm from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.